as a country, we are indeed, if we never knew, a part of a global community. And there is a merging of cultures in a sense where we have lost or losing our individual identities because we are now part of this larger community. And I think that also came out of the COVID experience where we couldn't solve our own problems without interfacing with others. But the NCD pandemic that we face, which is a far bigger pandemic, it tells us that we accept a lot more readily what traditionally has been alien to our culture and almost accept it more readily than traditionally what we're accustomed to, because we view it perception-wise as a more superior form of life, living, and enjoyment. We can't go out there and tell people, look at the salt, sugars, fats, and decide your mind in your own interest. That's part of the narrative. But we're going to have to do a lot more than that. We're going to have to help people to explain quality of life. We're going to have to help them explain satisfaction that can be derived from those scientific data. The other very important message around this culture and merging of culture is the extent to which we have to appeal to particular stakeholders who oftentimes, to my mind, in this country anyway, do not sufficiently have an appreciation between the links around consumption and the impact it has on the population. Oftentimes, their population who are their consumers, or their mothers, or their fathers, or their brothers, or sisters, or children. I believe that our mercantile class, who again clearly has their mission, there is sufficient insensitivity, I believe, and too much of it, to what we produce for the consuming public, our consumers, our workers, our family members, our community, because we're all merged as one, and the links between that objective and what the long-term impact is on the population and on those very same people.